in my family for generations. We can't let them tear it down. I understand, sir, but we have orders. There's nothing I can do.
To his new secretaries. I need work. Please employ me. I can do anything.
Thanks, boss. You all this money for me? I appreciate ya.
Will pay for this outage. You won't believe what just happened to me. If you give me this opportunity, I will not mess it up, please.
Thank God I have finally got a job.
Wendell, thank you for this opportunity, Shukmong.
Let's take this company to the next level.
This is my first project. I will not mess it up.
We made a huge amount of money from my first project.
Is this my own share of the money? Thank you, boss.
Thank you for everything you have done for me.
I'm going to get a good car of my choice. I love this Lamborghini. How much is it?
This is $1.5 million I'm paying in cash.
I am paying $2.5 million for this mansion in cash.
I have successfully transformed myself for good. It's time to get married.
Will you marry me, Sophia?
Yes. Me and John has lived happily with 30 years of marriage. Learn how to use your time well.